Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will learn one new topic called as a trim range. Let's understand how this works like. First we need to understand the scenario. This is your data which consists of your column and in between we have a cells. That's a B, C, D. These are all the value which I need to extract into this. So let's extract this value by using a trim formula that is known as a trim range. Where do you want to start? We would like to start from here to here. Okay, so it is asking, do you want to mention the row trim or the column trim? Let's say not interested. Let me close and press enter. So this is the output which is generated by the formula. Now if I ask 99%, everybody knows this is given by the Microsoft, it's open. Now let me show you the trick, what I am using it. For example, this is your range. I hope this is clear. Now in this range, what do you want to remove? For example, in this range, I want all the spaces before A. What did I said? All the spaces before A. So let me go to this before and just add one dot and press enter. Now did you notice it is starting from the ABC? That is ABC is over here. Above space, that means I'm talking about this and this. So all the space is getting auto removed by using my dot operator. Definitely you might have a question in your mind, what about the spaces which is next to the text? That means you are interested to remove the space after this. Okay, so let me give you the another formula which remove the space after that. Okay, how this can be happened? Now the same formula, instead of writing the dot before the semicolon, what I did, I just put the dot after that and press enter. Did you notice whatever the space after that is there, it's automatically get removed. You might have a question in your mind, if I don't want the space at all. So definitely you need to add the dot either before or after. According to your requirement, you manage. Now just press enter and your job is done. Yes or no? This is a result which is obtained by using a trim formula, and this is a result which is obtained by my dot formula. I hope you enjoyed this video. So till then, have a great day. Thanks a lot.